So the Museum of the Bible had 2 shops for me to shop from. So I got this. It was $24. My husband paid for this one because it was a lot. Museum of the Bible necklaces. It's dog tags, but it's like all these scriptures on all of them. And I wonder how many is in here. I gotta open this one up. Okay, I got this. It's like a little scroll, but it's got the Lord's Prayer on it. So it was the Museum of the Bible in DC. I got a lot of these. More of them. I just like the same types of colors. So I got a lot of browns. So this one is pretty. It's like a nude. This one is another nude. But me and my daughter, me and my daughter will probably match with this. Or maybe my son. And then I got like the nude with the brown and the cross for a bracelet. These are like $6 each, $5.99 each. And then this brown, the little beads in it, so cute. And then I got this one. It says Faith and it's pink. I got this one that says Grace, and it's tan. This one says I Heart Jesus, and it's like a turquoise. My baby likes turquoise. I'm not like a fan of turquoise, but I can't even say the word right. Turquoise. And then I got stickers. You know I'm a stationary girly, so I like stickers everywhere I go. I will be with you wherever you go. Oh, I just read that backwards. And then what did I get? It's something. And I got another sticker right here. I don't know how much it cost. I'm sure the receipt's somewhere. And I got a keychain. It says Museum of the Bible on the front, and it says Museum of the Bible on the back. And even like the bags are cute. This was one of the stores, All Creation Sings, and then the other store was like as soon as you come in the Museum of the Bible. Very, very beautiful. That was a great experience. I wish my daughter could have been there, but you know, she's busy. I forgot about this because it was free. If you put in your birthday at this little area inside of the museum, it'll print off this thing based off of what people say Christ's birthday was, December 25th. I don't celebrate no pagan holidays. But anyway, it tells me that Alana was born 1,983 years, 2 months, 14 days after the birth of Jesus. But yeah, it's just something that you get from there for free. But what are we going to do with that? I don't know.